We need to pray. There's something that's happening also to the African continent that must pay close attention to. In as much as China has been a problem, the Muslims are going to become an issue, an even bigger one. In fact, I'm seeing even our own president being threatened by Muslims at gunpoint. I'm seeing that. I'm seeing a man before our own president like this with a gun to his face like this, and I'm seeing our president going back like this. He's a Muslim, this man, from what I'm seeing. Our own government is being threatened by Muslims. In fact, recently we started hearing stories of them wanting to sell property to Muslims. Remember, selling parks, it's stuff like that. They're being threatened to do it. I remember recently someone had to protest this. They wanted to, I think, give some Saudi Arabian person free entrance into the country. There was a special runway somewhere in the Western Cape given to them. There was something like that. See there? It's Muslims coming into South Africa. They are financing politicians and political parties. So when you see gift of the givers become so prominent in this nation, it's not a mistake. Thank you, Heavenly Father. We need to pray.
Hello you guys, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Salo. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course do make sure that you do share this video. So this prophecy was recorded back on the 23rd of August 2025, you guys, and a lot has happened since this was recorded. Hence it has been brought back into the spotlight, you guys. This prophecy, you can hear Pastor Emmanuel saying that he saw our own government being threatened, of course, by the Muslims. You guys, he says that he saw President Cyril Ramaphosa being held at gunpoint, being rather pointed with a gun by a Muslim government, people from that Muslim side. He says that he sees Muslim people demanding like free entrance into the country, demanding Cyril Ramaphosa to basically just give them the country on a silver platter. He says that he sees a lot of Muslims just flooding into the country, you guys, to do whatever it is that they want to do, you guys. And people in the comment section were saying that this prophecy has definitely became true, because just recently we saw over 160 or more undocumented Muslim people from, of course, the Palestine. They claim refugee statuses in the country, but people were saying, to claim refugee status, you cannot just pick, a country that's just not even close to you. I mean, Palestine is from another continent. People were saying, why couldn't they just go to like European countries? Why did they choose South Africa? Because, people were saying also that South Africa is a very lawless country. And at this point, just each and every nation is free to just come into the country and do whatever it is that they do, with corruption and everything. Now, this prophecy, this man says that he sees Muslim, ruling the country one day, and President Cyril Ramaphosa is like being blackmailed or held at gunpoint. People were saying that this prophecy was clearly indicating that the Palestinians are definitely going to do something into the country. They are definitely planning something huge, maybe to rule the country, as this prophet says that this country is definitely under threat by the Muslim community. Anyways, what do you think? Engage your thoughts with me in the comment section down below. Also, like this video and do share it, so that you do not have to miss out whenever I try to upload a new video. Thank you so much for clicking and deciding on watching this one. I'll definitely and surely be seeing you in the next one. Bye.